students. Today I am going to teach you some other topics in the nervous system. Now, today I am going to teach you about some basic terms in nervous activities. The first term is stimulus, an agent or a sudden change of external or internal environment that results in a change in an organism or any part of its body. Okay, so any agent, it is an agent. It may be chemical, physical, or whatever, electrical, whatever. It is a agent which changes the which brings a change in the organism or any part of its body. Okay. Now, response. Response is the change in an organism resulting due to stimulus. The individual does something in response to the stimulus. Okay, so changes what is occurring in the organism, that is called the response. Now, impulse. Impulse is a wave of irritability, electrical disturbance that sweeps over the nerve cells. Next is the receptors. Receptors, these are the specialized epithelial cells which, on receiving the stimulus, sets up wave of impulses towards the central nervous system. Receptors are actually the receiving organs, you can say, the which receives the stimulus. Okay, and this sets a wave of impulses. This receptor sets a wave of impulses towards the nervous system. It sends a wave of impulses towards the central nervous system, that is the brain and the spinal cord. Now, effector organ. Now, what is effector organ? Let us see what is effector organ. Effector are the muscle or the glands which, on receiving the impulse from the brain or the spinal cord, contracts or secrete substances. The muscles will function, okay, in response to the stimulus sent by the brain or the spinal cord. Okay, and if it is a gland, it will secrete the proper substance which is required. Okay, so this is all about some basic terms in the nervous system. Now let us see the some other things. Now today we will also see the transmission or conduction of nerve impulse through the nerve fibers. Here you see we will deal with three stages. One is the polarized stage, the second one is the depolarized state, and third one is the repolarized state. Three states of or conditions of the nerve we will discuss. Okay. Now see, today we will see the first one you see here in A. First one you see here in A. You can see here that in a nerve, the polarized state, or you can say resting state, the positive charge is outside the nerve, and inside the there is the negative charge. Okay, and this positive, whenever a impulse, in the second one you can see in B state, B diagram, you can see the same stage when a impulse or whenever a stimulus uh, touches the region, this red region you can see, touches the red region, then what happens? That positive charges will move inside. Positive charges will move inside and the negative charge will be outside. Reverse condition will occur. This is due to the movement of sodium ions inside the nerve membrane. Okay. See, the sodium ions will move inside. So more positive ions will be inside and it will get positive sign, positive charge inside and negative charge outside. This is the excited region. Okay. And this excited region will travel forward. You see the arrow here? It will travel forward. This condition will continue. Again, the next region you see in the diagram C. This excitation or the excited region is now shifted. It has come to the next position. You can see here in the diagram C, it has shifted to the next. Positive ions are now inside in the second region and negative ion is outside. Now what has happened to the first excited region? You can see that the first excited region has now again got back the original state, that is the resting stage. What is the resting stage? Outside positive, inside negative. So you can see here you can see from B to C, this is the recovery region or what we call it repolarized state. And this way this red impulse will go on moving forward in the nerve. Okay. And it will reach the brain finally. This nerve impulse will, this red nerve impulse will reach the brain, from where information will be conveyed back. This is how the stimulus moves, or you can say conduction of the nerve impulse through the nerve fiber takes place. So red region is moving from this, that is the excited region is moving from position A to position B. You can see here in these two diagrams, in the diagram B and in diagram C. Likewise, this will proceed forward. Okay. So this is how the nerve impulse travels through the nerve fibers. Okay. So this is for today. Thank you. Have a good day.